Indian rhinoplasty, it is completely different from the European and like the American rhinoplasty because our skin type is completely different. Because of your thicker skin, we used to get lot of swelling in the post-surgery period. So we need to follow a lot of different techniques as well as the post-surgery instructions completely different from other, like when I operate for the Americans, my instructions will be different. When I operate for our Indian client, instructions are different. You have to understand that. Especially the swelling in the tip, it takes a lot of time to settle, and same way compression over the tip after the surgery, it has to be little prolonged than the European skin or American skin. So you have to understand this concept. So post-surgery, the post-surgery splint has to be applied for more than 14 days sometimes, and depending on the skin type. And even night splinting I advise is for a prolonged period of time to get a good results.